Hello guys, so in this section of the course, I'm going to be training you on how you can actually upload data set into your Jupyter notebook and how you can also load it into your Jupyter notebook as well. Then in addition to this, I'm also going to train you on how you can actually save your Python file as PDF format. So now the first thing you're going to do is that you're going to open your Jupyter notebook. So just click your window and type Jupyter notebook. So you're able to, so you click on the Jupyter notebook there. So it will actually bring you to a particular part. Then you navigate to the part you are working with. So currently I'm actually working in this part, which is the Python OK project. So the first thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to upload the file I want to work with, that is the data inside this current part. How am I going to do that? So what I'll do is I'll come down here under this upload. So I'll click on it. So the file I want to work with is the FIFA. So if I actually come down, you see that I'm having the FIFA data set here, which is the CSV file. So make sure that you actually download the file, then make sure that you actually know the location of the file so that you'll be able to navigate there. So if the file, if it's inside download, you go to download. But currently the file is actually inside this part, which is a Python tutorial. So if I really click on it now, then I'll click on open here. So after clicking on open, then you'll see upload. So once you click on upload, it's going to upload the file into your current part. So the next thing is that I'm going to create a Python file. So if you want to create it beside this upload, you come to new, then you click on Python 3. So now it has created the file now, so I just need to rename it. So let me just call it data set data. Let me just call it data. So the Python is also with my Python file. I don't need to pass it in the full part there. So all what I just need to do is that I'll just read the data. So and the library I'm going to use is pandas. So I'm just going to say import pandas as PD. If I actually run it now, it's going to run. Then I'll define a variable name. Then so pandas is having a method. If you are loading a CSV file, you use the read_CSV. If you are using loading an Excel file, you will use read_Excel. So that will be read_Excel because the file is actually a CSV file. So I'm going to the name of the file FIFA_data.csv. If it's an Excel file, you are going to use Excel. Very good. Then don't forget to pass in the file type there. So if I actually run it now and I call on data, you can see that I'll have the data here. So another way to actually load your data is you need to get the full part. So let me just teach you how to do that. Okay, now so let's say that we're having a particular file here. You can see that the file is in the financial report folder. So what you need to do is that just click on the file. Then once you click on the file, you right click. So don't forget it's actually a CSV file. Then you go to properties. So if you actually come down to properties, it's going to give you the file parts. So you can see that it's a CSV file. So what you need to do is just copy this under this location. Just copy it. So I need to go back to my code now. So I'm going to create another variable name, which is data2 and df. So I'm going to say pd.read. Don't forget it's a CSV file. That will be read_CSV. So I'm going to in string, I'm going to pass in the data here. So you can actually see that there is a backslash here. So you need to change it to a /. So we change it to a /. Change it to a /. Yes, so change it to a /. So once you are done with that, so you go back to the properties again, then you get the file name. So you copy the file name here, then you're going to attach it with this report. So you put a / in front of it, then pass in the file name there. So if I actually run it now, it will run, and if I call on the file, you can see that we have the file here. So that is actually how to load file into your Jupyter notebook. And if you actually want to save it in PDF format, so what you just need to do is that you come to file, can you see file here? Just click on it. Then the first thing is that you download it as HTML. Can you see HTML? So you download it as HTML. So it's going to download it now. Can you see it? That is data.html. So you open it. So once you open it, we have our code. Can you see it? So the next thing is that from here you save it as PDF. So just come to this, to the top right corner here, that three line, you click it. So you come to you go to print. Can you see print? So the print is having an option, save as PDF. So yours might be bringing out printer, so just go to save to PDF there, then you change it to landscape so that you'll be able to see everything. So once you are done, then you save it. So you can actually save it in any location that you want. So I'm going to save it under this financial report. So I'm going to call it code 2. So I'm going to save it now. So now it's saved. So if I actually go to my financial report now, you can see that I'm having the Python file here now. So can you see it? So if I actually open it, you see that it's going to open. So can you see it now that it actually opened? So that is basically how to load file in Python in your Jupyter notebook, and also how to save it. So thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.